Okay, last but not least today, we are going to simplify expressions using the distributive property. So first of all, remembering the distributive property, we have two cases. We have a case with an addition and a case with a subtraction. Distributive property, we're going to take the A, which is typically a number. We're going to distribute it both to the the B, and the C. And when you do that, you're multiplying. So we're going to have A times B, and then we're going to keep the addition sign, plus A times C. That's with our addition. Now, with subtraction, almost same thing. A times B, but this time it's going to be minus A times C. And that is your distributive property. So what does that look like when we throw in numbers? So example 1, we have our 4 outside of our parentheses, which is telling you take the 4 times the quantity 2x plus 3. So we're going to take the 4, we're going to distribute it. So 4 times 2x, you're taking 4 times 2, which is 8, and then you just keep the x. So 8x. Plus, distribute the 4 to the 3. Well, 4 times 3 is just 12. Then I'm going to look at that and I'm going to say, can you combine an 8x with a 12? The answer to that is no, because they're not like terms. And that's your answer. Next one. First thing I'm going to do, I have a 9n. He's kind of by himself. Then I have this right here. If we're thinking about order of operations says you have to do parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, I can't do anything, but I can multiply by my 18. So I'm going to distribute. 18 times 2 is 36n minus 18 times 6 is 108. Then I'm just going to drop everything else. So drop your plus 13, drop your 9n, drop your plus. Then I'm going to go look for like terms. This guy has an n, this guy has an n. This guy's just a constant, this guy's just a constant. So I'm going to take my 9n plus my 36n. So 9 plus 36 is 45. And then just put an n on it. Then I'm going to combine a negative 108 plus a 13, which is negative 95, and you're done. Last but not least, write a simplified expression for the perimeter of the triangle. So, perimeter, add all sides. Triangle has 3 sides, so we have to add all 3. So we're going to do 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 2 times 3x minus 1 plus 0.5 times 10x plus 4. So I did this side plus this side plus this side. Now the other key here is it said simplified. So we're going to have to multiply using our distributive property and then combine like terms. First of all, 2 times 3, 6x, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Next one, same thing, 2 times 3x is positive 6x, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Now, next one, if you need your calculator, use your calculator. 0.5 times 10 is a positive 5x. 0.5 times 4 is a positive 2. Now, we're going to take this, I'm going to scooch it down there, and we're going to combine like terms. So I have something with an x, something with an x, something with an x. 6 plus 6 plus 5 is 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17x. Then we're going to do a negative 2, a negative 2, a positive 2. So negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 4. Then we add a 2, we get negative 2. So a simplified version of the perimeter, or a simplified expression for the perimeter, would be 17x minus 2.